Do you think investing is only for those who have a lot of money? Have you ever felt that with the little you earn, you'll never be able to build wealth? If so, this video is for you. The truth is, you don't need a lot to start. What matters is how you use your money. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to invest even with a low income, in a simple and accessible way. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to teach you practical strategies to start investing now, even with little money without needing to be an expert. You'll learn how to make your money work for you, ensuring more security and freedom in the future. And at the end, I'll show you a real-life simulation of how a small investment can grow over time. So hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because this content can change your financial life. Many people believe that you need to earn a lot of money to start investing. This is one of the biggest myths that prevent people from taking the first step. If you don't invest when you earn little, you probably won't invest when you earn more. The truth is, the earlier you start, the sooner you can benefit from the growth of your money over time. And it's not just me saying this. The numbers prove it. Many people who have built wealth today started by investing small amounts, like $10 or $20 a month. The secret is discipline and consistency. The problem is that most people think these small amounts won't make a difference and end up spending that money on unnecessary things. But the key takeaway is that investing isn't about the initial amount. It's about how long your money stays invested and how compound interest works in your favor. Now that you understand this, let's get straight to the point. How can you start investing even with little money? First, set an initial amount. It doesn't have to be a lot. It can be $5, $10, or $20 a month. The most important thing is to develop the habit of investing regularly. If you wait for extra money to invest, you'll never start. Ideally, you should set this amount aside as soon as you receive your paycheck or income. Second, choose accessible investments. Today, there are plenty of options for those who want to start with little money. You can invest in government bonds, which allow investments starting at just $10. You can also invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which pay monthly dividends and allow you to buy fractional shares. Another option is to buy fractional stocks, which let you invest in small parts of companies with very little money. Third, automate your investments. If you have to remember to invest every month, you might forget or spend the money before you do. The best strategy is to set up automatic deposits so that your money is invested as soon as it reaches your account. This way, you ensure consistency effortlessly. Now, you might be asking yourself, but does investing just $10 or $20 a month really make a difference? And the answer is yes. To prove it, let's run a quick simulation. Imagine you invest just $20 a month in an asset that earns 10% per year. After 20 years, you would have contributed $4,800 in total. But with compound interest, your money would have grown to over $13,000. And this is without increasing your contributions. If you start adding more over time, the growth is even bigger. Now compare this with the alternative of not investing at all. If you simply spend that $20 every month, in 20 years, you'll have nothing. But if you invest consistently, you'll be building a much more secure and comfortable financial future. However, for this to work, you need to avoid some common mistakes that make many people give up on investing before they see results. The first mistake is thinking that small amounts don't matter. As we just saw, small investments made consistently can have a massive impact over time. The second mistake is investing without a strategy, buying random assets without understanding how they work. Before you invest, research, understand the risks, and choose options that match your financial profile. The third mistake is falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Forget about investments that promise fast, guaranteed returns. Investing is a long-term process, not a gamble. Another common mistake is not having patience. Many people give up too soon because they want to see quick results. But investing is not about making money overnight. It's about building wealth over time. And finally, one of the worst mistakes, withdrawing your invested money too soon. If you invest and keep withdrawing your money, you'll never take advantage of compound interest. Now you know that you don't have to be rich to invest. The secret is to start with what you have, develop the habit of investing regularly, and let time do the hard work for you. Small contributions made with discipline can completely transform your financial future. And now that you've made it this far, I want to know, how much are you planning to start investing? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. And if you want to know the best investments to start with, stay tuned because in the next video, I'll show you exactly where to put your money to get the best results. See you there.